What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at a brand new Best Choice products. This here is a fire pit. Now this one here is a 40,000 BTU measuring at 35 by 35 inches. Now the unique design about this is that it contains two separate units. One that houses the actual propane tank itself, and then the other that houses the lava rocks that emits the cool, immersive looking fire. Now this here does retail about $400 to $500, so if you guys wanted your very own, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Now in this episode here we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so you get these two boxes here. You get this one massively huge box. Keep in mind that this does weigh 96 pounds, so I highly recommend carrying with two people. And then you got this little tiny box here, that's actually the propane tank itself. Now, obviously you do have to purchase the propane tank, but just keep that in mind. This here is just the cover. Now, let's go ahead and open it up and see what comes with it. Whoa! We do see our gas line, and then we have our control unit over here. Now you can directly plug this into a gas line through the wall or through the propane tank itself. These boxes here house our lava rocks to give it that cool looking look, especially when the fire is emitting. Now do note that this does come with a cover, so you can technically cover it in case if it does rain. Alright, so we also have a few other things here. Looks like we have our instruction manual, comes with a AAA battery, and then we have our cover, and then this says here touch-up paint, so in case if it does scratch you can always go ahead and touch it up. Alright, so before we go ahead and set it up, we're going to go ahead and look at this box over here. Alright, so this is going to be our housing for our propane tank. Kind of gives you an idea what that's about. So let's go ahead and cue up that montage, build ourselves a fire pit. Alright guys, check it out. So this here is our fire pit, and this thing looks so cool. I mean, I love all the lava rocks. Definitely gives it a very nice appeal. Now again, it's made out of a very nice material, and then it does have handles on the side so you can go ahead and transport it very easily. Now the way it works is quite interesting. There's a gas line that goes into this box here. Now this here contains our canister for our gas. So let's go ahead and look this up right now to show you what it looks like underneath. And you'll go ahead and see how it's set up. So very, very straightforward. So you got your pipe that connects directly to your gas tank, and then it comes with a little, almost like a stand for it, so you can go ahead and use it like that. And you just go ahead and simply put this back on, just like this. There we go. You can use this as a table, so you can technically put your cups on here, and yeah, very easy to go ahead and use. Now it matches the base itself exactly the same. And then just so you guys know, these two chairs are also from Best Choice Products, and they go very well with the fireplace itself. You can see that the material on this is very, very nice. It's like a dark brown finish, and then you got the chrome tips on the bottom as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and fire up this bad boy and see what this is all about. Now, this here is going to be our main control. So you have your igniter, which is right over here. You put the AAA battery in there. Let's go ahead and you can see that it's making a click sound. So you can go ahead and put this on low, hold it down, press the button once, and voila, we have fire. Now, this here is on our low setting, and it kind of goes around the whole entire ring. You actually feel the heat quite well already. But if you go ahead and turn this dial just like this to the bottom, you'll see that the flame gets even bigger. That is awesome. Look how nice that looks. I mean, this thing is really, really, really cool. You can just feel the heat. But yeah, I mean, this is definitely a cool chill spot. Just go ahead, sit down, relax, and enjoy the view. Check that out. So yeah, there you guys have it. This here is the Best Choice Products fire pit, and of course, they're lovely chairs. Now, if you guys had any questions about this particular kit, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.